Kit Gurus with Endorfy at Computex 2025, and I'm standing next to, if not my next job, my next job, which is the ARX 700 white ARGB case, sadly not built, not illuminated, and I'm going to be doing a featured build in this case. The significant thing here is it's white, which I know sounds like I'm repeating myself. We have here the ARX 700 ARGB, which is black. James reviewed this case, he liked it. It's taken them quite a while to satisfactorily come up with a white case because the grommets, the paint, the steel, everything has to be matching, and that's actually harder than it sounds. But it's arrived, it's here. The ARX 700, depending on ARGB, non-ARGB, black or white, is priced around the 110, 120 pounds, euros, dollars. So this is going to be arriving with me very soon. Next we have the Fishtank 8000. The humorous name is a work in progress. That's not its final name. It's an ATX case, although it looks larger, curved glass. It has a full-length power supply shroud, taking the coverage all the way to the front. Next to that, we have the Fishtank 6000. White-black, identical case. You can see more in the white as you come across. And you can see this is smaller than the Fishtank 8000. PSU shroud stops there, so you can put a cooler in the side position. You'll notice the significant thing is the motherboard tray, all those holes. This case and the larger 8000 support BTF and Project 0. Your motherboard connections go through those holes and out the back to keep the main compartment neat and tidy. Fishtank 6000, Fishtank 8000 due in Q4. Pricing sounds hopefully quite reasonable. South of 150, probably north of 100. Signum M30 Micro ATX is Endorfy's first Micro ATX case. All the others are ATX. This is Micro ATX. Micro ATX very popular in Germany and in Poland. The price of this is looking to be cheap, but that's the nature of Micro ATX. If it's not cheap, it's pointless. The Ventum 400 to the left of it, again, described as ARGB, but no power, so we can't see any, is very similar to this Ventum 200 Air. And the reason is it's the same case, just taller. They literally said, can you make it taller for certain markets? To which Endorfy said, no trouble. So it has just been stretched upwards. We have a bunch of peripherals, which are quite familiar to us. However, these headsets, the Viro Plus Alt Grey, are a work in progress, pre-production wireless headphones. We come to the left, and we have a whole series of keyboards that cause Matt a problem during his review. And it's the name that's the problem. It's that word there, which sounds like something else on YouTube. So instead of saying the name, I'm just going to say 75% V2 wireless and 75% V2 and TKL V2. And you get the idea. It's that. Matt likes these. He also likes the pre-lube switches, but that's just how he rolls. Around here we have the Celeris 1800 that we saw at CES. It's now arrived, it's in full production. We also have microphones for your streaming types. And we go over here. And we have a desk setup, which is populated with Endorfy hardware. The case obviously is Endorfy. And so too is the mouse mat, keyboard, mouse, microphone, other microphone, boom. The headset up on the stand on top of the case. The desk. And also the chair, everything. Okay. An array of coolers and fans which are familiar, so we'll pass them by. However, these two fans in white are new products, 120 and 140. They are literally the same as existing models, except in white, and it's just a problem of getting the color right and getting the molding right, but those are now here. And down the front, we have power supplies. The Supremo FM6 we're familiar with in 1000 watt form. This is an 850. So it's fully modular. We were impressed by the 1000. Hopefully the 850 lives up to the same billing. Next to that, a work in progress with the humorous name PSU Gold, which, as you can see, not modular, captive cables, and gold rated. And then to the left of that, the Viro L6 Bronze. So captive cables, bronze, clearly aimed at system integrators and the lower end of the market. Not a particularly enthusiast product. And this is Kit Gurus signing off from Endorfy at Computex 2025. Do please check us out on TikTok, and we're at kitguru.net on the web.